On January 22, 2022, in freezing Colorado, a car burst into flames. The owner couldn't save his dog, Hank, from the thick smoke. Then, Deputy Michael Gregorek arrived. Without hesitation, he smashed the windows and plunged into the fire. He grabbed Hank and threw him safely into the snow. Hank ran back and licked his face in gratitude. The deputy coughed, but relief filled his face. Hank survived.
Oh my God! Where's it at? Put me in the back. Hank, come on, man! Hank! Is it unlocked? Oh my God!
This is true heroism, one decisive action that changed everything.
You know, as tacky as it is to say I'm a dog parent, but that's my only child is my dog, so I would have done, you know, the same thing, whether it be baby, human, dog, cat. You know, life is a life, and kind of treat it as such in a situation like that.
But I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where